this movie, we're going to show you how easy it is to create characters for your games and multimedia presentations with iCast. Let's choose the Modifiers character class and click Select. iCast will now load up into appearance mode. Let's take a few moments to analyze the interface. The 3D view is the central part of the interface, which you can use to preview your character. You can change the direction of the camera in this mode by clicking on the 3D angle, 2D angle and the top-down view. You can also preview the many animations by clicking in the animation list. You can change the direction of the character with the directional arrows, play and stop the timeline, and scrub through the timeline by clicking and dragging the mouse. The right part of the interface is where we do our customizations. This is what modifies our character. We can click on the Setup drop-down menu to choose a customizable layer. These layers will be different depending which character class you are using. We can also apply effects to these layers as well. We can navigate through iCast's different modes such as Appearance Mode, Preview Mode, Portrait Mode and Export Mode. We can open the Mesh Styles palette using this button and the Environment palette using this icon. These three icons allow us to zoom the camera. We can zoom in and out and also restore the camera to the default setting. Let's start creating our character. We'll first start by opening our Mesh Styles palette and choosing a mesh style that appeals to us. There are many to choose from and many more will be available from the Immunity store. We will choose Dual Assassin Blades. iCast will now refresh the character and now you can see we have shoulder pads, a helmet and our new weapons. Let's start customizing our character. We'll open up the Setup drop down box and we'll go straight to hair. Now we can choose a customization from the customizations list. We'll zoom in so we can see the details more clearly. We'll now repeat the process for the other customization layers. As you can see, iCast makes designing characters extremely easy. We'll now demonstrate how to use ink effects on your customization layers. We've just applied a chainmail customization. We're now going to apply a shadow ink effect and preview the results. As you can see, it now appears that Matthias has reptilian skin. Let's continue adding customizations. We've now just applied some lower armor, and we'll accompany it with some upper armor as well. We'll now choose some shoulder pads, a helmet, and finally some weapons. We've now finished the texture for our character. Let's open the Environments palette. Here we can select a lighting environment to add some drama and dynamics to the scene. As you can see, we now have some very impressive results. Before we can continue, we need to save our character. Let's go and click the Save button and give our character a name. For this demonstration, we'll call it Step by Step. We can now move into preview mode.